Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Commbank Pay with phone. This convenient feature lets you make payments directly from your Android smartphone. It uses near-field communication, or NFC, technology to enable quick, contactless transactions. You can easily link your eligible Commbank debit or credit cards within the Commbank app to get started. It's designed to simplify your everyday purchases. Setting up Commbank Pay with phone is straightforward. First, confirm your Android device has NFC and runs Android version 4.4 or above. Then, simply download and log into the most recent Commbank app. Navigate to the Tap and Pay icon, select your desired card, and choose how you prefer to pay, by waking your phone, unlocking it, or opening the app. Using your phone to pay offers several great advantages. It provides quick, convenient transactions, often without needing your physical wallet. For purchases under $100, you typically won't need to enter a PIN. Plus, you can view your account balance on screen before paying, ensuring you have sufficient funds. Commbank also provides a 100% security guarantee for added peace of mind. For optimal security, always keep your Commbank app and phone's operating system updated. You have control to easily enable or disable the Tap and Pay feature directly within the app. Remember, for transactions exceeding $100, you might need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication. Commbank also supports other digital wallets like Google Pay and Samsung Pay, giving you more flexible payment choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.